Here we go with another video. That's right, Anonymous in Ohio coming at you. You see it. $2 tickets. That's right, it's Tuesday. Got my $2 ticket Tuesday going on. Got a few more tickets this week than I normally do. What do we got going on here? We got two of these cash explosions. Not two. Four of these cash explosions. We got four of the winter doubler. We also got Trash or Treasure going to help us out tonight. So let's dive in. Let's see what we got. The cash explosion. We got ticket 11, 12, 13, and 14. On this game, looking for 3 like prize amounts. You win that prize. You can also find 2 like prize amounts and a multiplier, 2x, 5x. You multiply the prize. Odds on this game are 1 at 4.45, so we're playing just shy of the odds. And then also on this, you can find 3 entry symbols, which gains you a chance at winning a spot on the game show, Cash Explosion. So let's dive in. And see if we can't find a win. We got an entry right out of the gate. There's 2 entries across the top. We got a 2. And a 20. And looky there, we got a 3rd entry. So first ticket in, we got an entry. So I will submit this ticket. Hopefully I get chose to get on the game show. That would be awesome. If you do get chose to be on the game show, you walk away with like a minimum of, like, I don't know, I think it's $6 grand or something. So just getting chosen alone, you are a winner. So awesome there. Got me an entry. Now let's find some cash on this cash explosion. We gotta have a pair first. We got nothing so far. Oh, there's 2 entries. So we got 2 entries and 2 10s. 5,000. So that one's a bust. Let's keep going. Let's find some cash. Jumping around on the spots. Look what I found. I found a double. All right. We're going to win some cash. Now, hopefully we find something good to double, like this 10 here. We're not going to double 5,000 because the top prize is 5,000. And we're not going to double 4 because I don't think $8 is a prize. It is not. So we have not revealed what we're doubling yet. What we got? Double 2? We could double the 2. There is a $4 prize. I'd rather find the 10 than the 2. I done changed my mind. Now I want to find the 50. Look at me changing my mind again. Let's find a 500. Let's find 500 here for 1,000. Is 1,000 a prize? Oh, 1,000 is not a prize. Spoiler alert. So we can double the 2, the 50, or the 10. What's it gonna be? It is the 2. So a $4 cash prize right there. So we got 1 entry and a $4 cash prize. I got 4 each of these. So we got 8 tickets total, a $16 session. We're on the board with 4. See if we can get a back-to-back here. No back-to-back, that's fine. I got 4 of these tickets. Odds are 1 in 4.45, and I got 2 winners. I got the cash winner of $4 and the entry. So I am pretty content with that. As always, I try to beat the odds and find the winners, and hopefully the winners are big. If they're not, we'll try again next time. On this game, looking to match a winning number or a 2x symbol. Got ticket 75, 76, 77's there, and 78. So 4 tickets here. Odds are just shy of the other one, 4.43. Maybe we find a multiplier on this one too. Hopefully. Hopefully. All right. No multiplier here. Number 10. Number 13. 10 and 13. No go. Next up, 76. No symbol. 11. And a 6. No. 77. Where's that 2Xer at? Come on, 2Xer. No 2X here. A 4. And an 18. Loser again. Come on, we need a win here. Need a win. Last ticket here, guys. 78. $16 session. 4 back on the board with an entry. That entry, of course, if chosen, has a value of like $6,000. So we got no multiplier, but looky there. A last ticket match. 25 and a 9. Single match here, guys. Y'all know how I like to do it. I like to get you in on it. Hopefully we find something good. Little zeros. $4. $4. So I will take that. That's 4 back here. And 4 back on the other one. That's 8 back plus the entry on a $16 session. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. If y'all haven't got Trash or Treasure, make sure you check her out. Be a link to her in the description. As always, hit that like, hit that subscribe. We'll see you next time.